Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video, I'm super excited because I am kicking off my fall recipe series. So it won't be every video upcoming, but lots of videos will be fall inspired, whether that be like a dessert or a soup or some kind of savory meal, whatever. I am in the kitchen and I'm doing the thing. So if you don't follow me on my other like homemaking channel, it's called Just Marie Homemade. That channel, I showed you guys, this is my new kitchen. We just moved a few weeks ago, and so I'm super excited to be cooking here. So definitely, if you like homemaking content, subscribe over there. I will link the channel in the description box. So anywho, today is a super easy, delicious dessert recipe. It is a pumpkin dump cake. I'm so excited. I also bought like some vanilla ice cream and some caramel to go on top. It is going to be really good. So let's get started. First, you're going to need a 9x13 pan. Go ahead and spray that with baking spray. And then you're going to need a large can of the pure pumpkin puree, not the pumpkin pie mix. And then you'll need 3 large eggs, 1 can of evaporated milk. You're gonna need 2 teaspoons of, or more, of pumpkin pie spice. And then 2 sticks of melted butter, 1 cup of sugar, and then 1 box of cake mix. This one is a super moist spice cake mix. Okay, it does take a little bit of time to cook in the oven, but the actual active work time, so quick and easy. So go ahead and get as much out of there as you can. Oops. Okay, and then in goes the evaporated milk. In goes the sugar. And then the eggs. All right. Who else is excited for fall? It is, what is today? August 27th, I think, while I'm filming this. And so it's definitely time. Lots of people have already been decorating. I have not quite gotten to that part yet, but I am beyond excited. So I do like a heaping teaspoon, but I'm doing two heaping teaspoons. You want to make sure that definitely has you know, all the fall flavors and stuff in there. So then just mix it up. It smells so good. I love pumpkin, pretty much almost everything, pumpkin everything, just because it just is that classic fall flavor. And if you hear my kids in the background, pretend like you don't. They are playing in the basement right now and they're not quiet at all. Okay, so just give that a really good mix. And oh, I do this all the time. Look at this. Okay, so once that is well incorporated, make sure those eggs and everything are like whisked well in there. Okay, then okay, and then we're gonna sprinkle this over the top. Okay. The oven is preheated already to 350. the last part. Just gonna pour 2 sticks of melted butter over the top. I always try to make sure the edges are covered and then go over the rest. Look how easy that was. So we're just gonna bake this in the oven for about 1 hour. All right, so let's have a taste, shall we? That looks so good. So, where do I even start? Okay. So it's a really soft cake. Kind of like, I don't know, not quite pudding, like it has texture, but, and it's firm, but it's really soft too. Cheers. Ooh, I like that. That is really good. This was my first time making this, but I'll definitely be making it again. It tastes like fall. Like, I don't really know what else to say. It literally tastes like fall. This is amazing. 10 out of 10. Definitely make this. Okay, that's all I have for today's video. Definitely go ahead and make it. If you make it, tag me over on Instagram at Just a Little Kick, and I'll see you guys back here soon for more food. Bye.